based on the explanation of
Igudas.
the debt shall be the payment of
The obligation.
of paying the 100,000 shall be divided into 4 because there are 4 creditors
And
and there are also 4 debtors. So each debtor has to pay each creditor. So that's why the 25,000 is divided into 4, which amounts to 6,250 each. So each creditor is
state first the law. What is the law? The law says that the obligation shall be divided into as many creditors or creditors as there are debtors, or as many debtors as there are creditors. Okay. So how do you do that? First,
you have to know the number of debtors.
maybe there, four.
So there are four.
So that is how you divide the obligation into 4 parts, because there are 4 debtors and 4 creditors. What else will happen?
If there are 4 debtors, each of them should pay 25,000
And the obligation will still be divided into as many creditors. Okay? All right. So, I thought you understood.
I understand, sir, but I'm just having a hard time explaining each.
Yeah. So what goes inside cannot usually come outside. All right. You know, you understood. Subaka. The trouble is you cannot just express it what is already inside the head. Okay.